ever stared at your palette convinced that perfect skin tones don't exist? And loose portrait paintings? Forget about them, right? I used to think that too. But here's the secret. Mastering color mixing and understanding the shadow shapes of the face isn't just possible. It's incredibly fun. Hi, I'm Bianca Lustre, and my current obsession is color mixing and working with a limited palette. Join me in this 2-in-1 challenge class. Each day features a different color combination, using just 2 to 4 pigments to mix a wide range of skin tones. And then, we'll put these colors to test by painting these loose watercolor portraits while experimenting with different approaches, like starting from dark or mid-tones. This class is designed to help you learn to mix any shade that you need and create harmonious paintings that reflect your unique style. These portrait studies will also help you gain confidence in capturing life and emotion with every brush stroke. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned artist, I invite you to join in the fun. I know that portrait painting can be intimidating, but I have prepared different tools to make each step of the process a little bit easier for you. Stick with me throughout the class, and your dedication will be rewarded with a free copy of my exclusive skin tone ebook, packed with over 100 color combinations, including the failed mixtures. That could be your ultimate guide in mastering skin tones. Find out how to receive your gift in the next video.